Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. We're going to be doing another as seen on TV product today, and that's the Eyebrow by Dreamlook. Now the product says it's a revolutionary microblading eyebrow pen, but I don't think it's actually a microblading. There's no needles involved. It just creates the look of hairs like you would if you were getting your eyebrows professionally microbladed. So here's what the product looks like. Very small, smaller than I was expecting, honestly. So here's what it looks like without the cap. As you can see, it looks kind of like a fork or a hand to create the individual little eyebrow look. So I'm going to read the instructions. Place forked tip down. Start from the nose to outer corner. Okay, so I think it's what it's saying is just draw your eyebrows on. I already have naturally pretty full brows, so I wouldn't necessarily need a product that was this prominent. It basically feels like using a marker and drawing on my face. It doesn't feel bad or anything. I feel like it's not going to last just based off of how it feels going on and how it feels very light. Now it could dry and I could be totally surprised, but we're gonna have to wait and see. Alright, so there's one eyebrow done. As you can see, the color is not quite there for me, but there's only two choices, so this is as good as it's gonna get in that way. But overall, I think it did pretty good. As I don't know if you can see, it definitely drew more defined lines to make it more like a realistic looking hairs on the eyebrow versus some you just kind of shade in, which is typically what I go for. But if you need more looking real eyebrow hairs, then this is actually pretty good. I'm surprised. So I wiped and nothing actually really came off, which is surprising to me. I really thought that it was all gonna just wipe off. Alright you guys, so I think that's as good as we're gonna get with our microblading pen. Overall, I think it did a pretty good job. It did create some nice fine looking hairs in places that I needed them. I do think they need more of a color selection because this one's not quite right for me, but it's pretty close. But anyone with a darker or a lighter brow would probably not be able to use these pens. I don't necessarily know if I think it's worth $10 because it's pretty simple, and I think there are other cheaper brow options out there. But if you're looking for a very quick eyebrow with that looks really nice, then I do think it would work pretty good because it's very easy to take out, no extra products, no blending, and overall the overall product looks nice, I would say. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I look forward to seeing you in my next one. Bye bye.